Pinoy Bix.
Welcome to Pinoy Bix. Ang ating problem ngayon ay mula sa EE Board Exam of April 1997. The problem state that what is the number of permutations of the letters in the word banana? Mapapansin nyo na itong problem natin ngayon ay kakaiba dun sa mga nauna nating problem regarding permutation. Kasi doon, yung mga letters doon, distinct. So, ngayon, ang ating word ay banana. So, mapapansin nyo na mayroon tayong pareho. So, mayroon tayong tatlong A at dalawang N. So, paano nga naman natin ito gagawin? First, syempre, so let N equal to the total number of words. Next step is using the permutation formula. Okay, so therefore, the N, which is the total number of ways, so equivalent to N permutation of P and Q. Equivalent to is equal to, so we have 6 permutation. So, ang P natin is 3 and Q natin ay 2. Ito yung mga letter na may pareho. So, dito, ang letter A natin is 3. Ang letter N natin is 2. So, this is equal to N factorial over P factorial Q factorial. So, depende ito kung ilan. So, kung ilan yung may pareho. So, pwedeng P, Q, R, S. So, anyway, variable lang naman to. So, therefore, ang ating sagot, so we have yung N natin, total is 6. So, 6 factorial over 3 factorial multiplied 2 factorial. Equivalent to 720 over 3 factorial. So, we have 6 times 2. So, equivalent to 60. Okay. This is the answer. I hope naintindihan nyo kung paano natin to ginawa. Again, ulitin ko lang kung paano natin to ginawa. So, yung total number ng word o given man yan. So, yung N na yan. So, for this example, 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yung word natin sa banana. So, divided by, since yung tatlo yung letter A, so, divided by 3 factorial. Then, dalawa yung letter N. So, divided by 2 factorial. So, kaya ang sagot natin dito ay equivalent to 60. Kung nabigyan kayo ng ibang words, so ganito lang yung gagawin din nyo. So, basta, i-divide nyo lang kung doon, yung total numbers divided dun sa kung ilan yung mayroong pare-parehong letter. So, ayan. So, finalize lang yan natin yung sagot. There are 60 ways or permutation. So, huwag niyong kalilimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel para mas baybayin yung aking mga upcoming videos. Again, thank you.
Pinoy Bix.